Hey guys, exciting news. I have a new toy and I want to share it with all of you. So firstly, I have to thank the guys at Action Tech who got this out to me in 2 days from halfway across the country. I can't find anyone else in New Zealand selling this camera yet, so excited. So I don't typically like unboxings. There's a good chance this could just be a super expensive toaster and I have been screwed over, but we're gonna find out together. So bear with me as I cut into this and try not to damage anything. Nice, fingers off. Okay. So obviously, box within a box. Put that down there for now. Customer invoice, very important. I'm sure if there is a warranty or something, I will need to use that. Okay. Firstly, well packaged, bubble wrap. Happy with bubble wrap. Okay, let's pop that out of there. Oh, she's snug. This, by the way, is going to be the most awkward unboxing you will ever see. I will probably look at the LCD screen instead of the camera lens. If I'm smart, I'll take this awkward part out. I'm not that smart. Let's see. So, lots of wrapping. I will reuse this. I'm not going to throw it out. But, the most important part, we're looking good. The camera. Coolpix P1000. Another view for you there. So, looking at this, because technically the camera's not available in New Zealand until the end of this month, so I'm wondering where they got it from. I don't see anything that would suggest, I don't know, does all Nikon camera gear come with the writing like that as well? Who cares? Let us progress. So, nice little tab. Opening her up. Still looking at the LCD screen. Using the P900, by the way, to film this, so it's kind of, you know, moving on to the next model. Very exciting. Okay, plastic bag, undoubtedly filled with some thing that I won't read, let's be honest. Just gonna rip one in there. Okay. So that's a Snap Bridge connection guide. So that's the app you can get for your Android and iPhone. At least I think it's Android and iPhone. We'll read that later, but that's important because it's a handy little tool. Quick start guide. I probably should read through this. I probably won't read through this. What else is in the box? Okay, warranty, actual warranty, very important. It does say Nikon Australia and New Zealand, so it's legit. I will consider myself lucky. Alright, the box itself. Lovely white packaging. Get out of there. Alright. So I'm just going to pop this down. So, we have the camera strap. Very important. Can't remember if the other one came with one. I think it did. I'm pretty sure it did. Let's just whip that out. So very similar to the last one. Little leather part inside there. Then adjustable what's it that must attach to the camera. Excellent, it says Nikon. Legit. We have the plug. So as you can see, it's got the New Zealand plug in it, but it is a USB I don't know, what is it, 2.0, 3.0, what are we up to these days? But 5 volt, matches New Zealand, should be all good. That looks like it may even detach off the front, so you can probably add in whatever region you're from. Let's not break it. Alright. Boxes within boxes. Okay. Aha! Something that the P900 did not have is a lens hood. Cool. So that will attach to the end of the P1000, and that'll just give a little bit of extra protection, and it'll block out a bit of light as well. The extra light that you may not want in there. Cool. Handy. Continuing on. USB cable. Alright, so that's your micro USB end and your regular USB end. So that'll charge off of anything with a USB plug in it, which is pretty standard these days. So exactly the same as the P900. Okay. Anything else in there? Oop. Battery! Now we've talked about how the battery, I say we talked, I typed stuff on the screen and hopefully you guys read it. So it's a lithium-ion battery pack, ENEL20A 7.2 volt. You might want a couple of these. P1000 takes a little bit more battery power to take your photos. We'll test how it is with the video. But you'll either want a portable charger or maybe a second battery, just to make sure you're getting the most out of your camera. Alright, the big show. Just pop that back on there so I don't accidentally break it. Whew. Probably put that down slightly too heavily, but I can feel now it's got a bit of weight to her. So there you go. Oh, she is a beast. That is a solid camera. Okay, so let's do a quick 360. Let's not drop it. So yeah, one-handed. A little bit of weight. I'm not the biggest guy in the world, but yeah. Alright, so there we got our lens cover. Look at the size of that lens. It is massive. Now, because I'm filming on the P900, I can't show you it next to the P900 yet. I am gonna make another video soon, just so you guys have a physical comparison between the two. So yeah, sizable difference in the LCD screen as well. That's awesome. I'm looking at it so you guys can't see it. The layout of the menu buttons, everything looks a little bit bigger, which is good. You can get in there. I also have terrible lighting as well. I live in an apartment. This is not a good studio setting. And even the dial on top, bigger again. Hopefully less fumbling. Right, so on the side, so firstly, hot shoe on top, looks good. We have the HDMI cable, that fits a little bit nicer than the last one. So you got all your sort of cable inputs and stuff on the side there. So that's, what else we got? What else we got? Everything else looks like it's in the exact same place. Cool. Well, that's enough of me. the less of my face you have to see, the better. I'll put that on. Actually, can I put the lens? Alright, this may seem simple. I've not had one of these before. God, I hope it just, like, sits up on top and clips on. Is there a point out there? Nope. I know I was going to do this wrong. Please, just snap on. Oh, no. Failing miserably. This is why you read the beginner's guide. Okay. That goes there. Okay, so that goes there. And it twists. Ha! Ha! I did it! Only slightly more on. Cool, so that sits nicely on there. Can't get over how heavy this is. Right, and that's just scalloped. Screw there, and then your battery pack goes in the bottom there. Fairly similar to the last one. So we'll look through. There are some extra settings on the dial. I can see the moon setting and the bird setting. I find it fascinating that there's a moon setting. It's just like one thing in the sky, and everyone's going to be taking the exact same photos of it. Bird setting slightly more useful. Alright, so just a quick recap. Lens hood, camera itself, plug, battery, USB cable, neck strap thingy. It's cap. Actually, quick comparison. That's the P1000 cap. That's the P900. So there you go, straight up comparison. You can see there is quite a big size difference between the two. Over there. Cool. And there was probably something else that I've already lost. That's how I roll. So anyway, stay tuned. If you like the channel, please subscribe, leave a like, the usual YouTube stuff that people ask you to do. I will be making a heap of videos, hopefully some good comparison videos between the P900 and P1000. I'm a very simplified camera guy. They're not going to be super technical, they're going to be to within my understanding of what is going on. So this is more of a handy thing if you're trying to toss up between the two. Hopefully I can give you a better idea of what is what and whether you want to put down the extra, I don't know, $600-700 depending on where you are in the world. Cool. So for now, I am Anthony. That's my name. Probably should have mentioned that at the start. For Super Zoom, and yeah, have a great day. Keep on zooming. Cheers.